Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine what your computer name is on your Windows computer. So it's not always the easiest to find if you don't know where to look for it. So we're just going to go about how to determine this, and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Control Panel. Best match should go back with Control Panel listed right above App. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the View By and select Category View if it's not automatically the default view here. And select System and Security. And now you want to go and select the System option to go select System. And then finally it should say Computer Name listed right in here. This is the actual official computer name that your computer has been assigned here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.